Hey guys, welcome back to another Nvidia update video. Today I'm going to be talking about what's going on with Nvidia, what to expect next, my thoughts. And yeah, before we get into that, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates, real Tesla and Nvidia as the market's trading. Probably post like 20 posts for each Tesla and Nvidia every single day. Basically just letting you know the key levels, what to look out for as the market's trading, when we're close to a top, close to a bottom. Let you guys know that. So yeah, let's get into it. On the daily time frame, you can see that we have used that blue 9 EMA as support in back-to-back days. It's definitely a good sign if you're a bull. And we are breaking to the upside of this sideways facing pennant. As you can see, we had a perfect retest. I told my members exactly when we had that retest. So, you know, not financial advice, but probably not the worst buying position there. But guys, it is something to take note of that we are getting to the top this far SMI. Now, of course, we can get very extended, like we normally do, but it does mean that on the broader term that we are probably going to get closer to a little bit of a top. But that doesn't mean that we can't, go up to close to 190 before we get that top. So definitely something good to keep in mind. I do still see a lot of resistance sitting at 183.5. Obviously, we have not closed a daily candle above that in probably 2-3 weeks, or what is it, 2 weeks? So yeah, tomorrow I do want to see us close a candle above this 183.5 level and basically have the whole body of the candle all the way above the resistance. That would be a really good bullish development for the stock. And guys, I do, as of right now for the short term, I can see us coming up to this little fair value sitting at 186 for the short term. And then maybe for the longer term, towards the end of December, we can see a run up towards 195. So that is the goal right now. Bulls, I do see the bulls being in control, especially with that VIX being below 19. Definitely brings the bulls out of hiding. So yeah, but yeah, to the downside, if we do start losing 180, I do see that first support coming in at around 177. And if we do start losing 177, then that would be a lot of red flags will go up. Probably not as bullish as we think. And of course, I'll update my members. And I'll let you guys know, obviously, at the end of the day. But my members do get the live updates. But yeah, right now I do see that we're going to break this 183.5 level, kind of come up to this fair value. I do see this happening. I do think we are bullish, more bullish than bearish. It is worth noting that we could come to 177 before getting that move up. But yeah, that is what I see right now. As you can see, we did not really retest 177 when we pushed back into this purple demand zone a little while back. So a retest to it would not be crazy, But I do think that we are bullish. I do see this route probably playing out more likely than not. But guys, let's see. Anything can happen, See how it goes. Going into Monday. And if we look at Market Dash, guys, I do want to show you this. The insider trading is pretty crazy for Nvidia. No insider has bought the stock in the last 12 months. And there's been there's over $2 billion worth of people selling it. So that's definitely something good to keep in mind. Wall Street's saying it's a good buy. Hedge funds they don't really know what side to be on. But yeah, that's about everything. I do think Nvidia is bullish right now. Watch for that 183.5 resistance. And guys, obviously I'll let my members know first. So definitely go check out my Discord. Link is in my description. And yeah, guys. Peace.